So if inclination is given, like theta is 45 degree given, so what will be the slope? Slope is, we know that tan theta, tan 45 degree equal to 1, so slope is 1. Now if slope is given, how to find out the inclination? Look at that. Here slope is given √3. We know the slope means tan theta. So tan theta equal to √3, and we know that tan 60 degree equal to √3. So I can say theta is 60 degree. So if inclination is √3, that means theta is, or if slope is √3, I can say inclination of theta is 60 degree. Next, we know that there is one more formula is there. Tan theta slope equal to y2 minus y1. That formula is there. I already explained that in the previous class. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. There is a math in the 3. You have to calculate the slope while 2 point is given. Minus 2 comma minus 3 and 1 comma 2. It is assumed that this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Now tan theta equal to y2 minus y1. That means 2 minus minus 2. That means y2 minus y1, 2 minus minus 3. And x2 minus x1 means 1 minus minus 2. And from that we got 5 by 3. So that is the slope. We can solve the others math from the math number 3. Here is something you have to know before we going to the math number 4 and 5. If two lines are parallel, then m1 equal to m2. That means slope of the both line is equal. If this is for parallel. If the lines are perpendicular, m1 equal to minus 1 by m2. If that is perpendicular. If the lines are perpendicular, this is the rules. m1 equal to minus 1 by m2. Okay. Math number 4, it is said that calculate the slope if some line is parallel to AB where A and B is given. Let's check what will be the slope of AB. That means try to understand that there is 2 point here in a coordinate. This is AB and some lines, any lines which is parallel to AB, what will be the slope of that? First you have to calculate. You need to know that as this is parallel to each other, so what will be the slope of that? That will be the same slope of that line. I already said that both lines have the same slope if they are parallel. So just you have to calculate the slope of AB, and you can calculate in the previous process y2 minus y1. That means 6 minus, sorry, here I have make it wrong. y2 minus y1, that means 6 minus 4, x2 minus x1. So I got 2 by 2 equal to 1. So what is the slope of the parallel line to that line? That is also 1, because slope of both line is same as they are parallel. Okay, I am solving the next math. It is said calculate the slope perpendicular to that line. That means there is a line A and B. AB is a line which are having some points are given. You have to calculate the slope of the line which is perpendicular to that line. First calculate the slope of that line, that is AB. Same process, y2 minus y1, that means 4 minus minus 5. After that x2 minus x1, that means that become 9 and that become minus 2. That is the slope of that AB. And we know that perpendicular to that line, what will be the slope of that? That will be 1 by, we know that m1 equal to minus 1 by m2. That means if 9 minus 9 by 2, minus 9 by 2 is m1, what will be the value of m2? Minus minus cancel. So here m2 equal to 2 by 9. That is the answer. So whatever I have explained, that is clear to you. Okay, I am solving the others math, like math number 8. Read the math without using the distance formula, so that the points, these points are the vertices of a right angle triangle. Okay, you have to know about the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means this is 90 degree. Okay, let's check. I am giving the name. This is ABC and 3 points of that is given. One is 4 comma 5, another is 1 comma 2. Sorry, I have written the maths wrongly. 4 comma minus 2, that point is 4 comma minus 2, then minus 4 comma 4, and the last one is 10 comma 6. 4 comma minus 2, that is minus 4 comma 4, 10 comma 6. You have to prove that without using distance formula, that these are the vertices of a right angle triangle. Look at that, try to understand. This line, that means AB line, is perpendicular to BC line. Yes or no? Yes. So first calculate the slope of AB or BC, any line. I am calculating the slope of AB. Okay, slope of AB. Slope of AB will be what? Y2 minus Y1. That means 4 minus 2 by x2 minus x1, that means minus 4 to 4, that means 6 by minus 8. So what will be the slope of the next perpendicular line? Okay, next I am solving the slope of BC. Y2 minus Y1, that means 6 minus 4 by 10 minus 4. So that become 2 by 14. So 1 by 7. Okay, so that becomes 6 minus 6 by 8, and that becomes 2 by 14. There is something mistake. I'll check it again.